usually come back to the flowers at the end. Okay, so I always get organic kale. A couple bags of this. I roast it in the oven with, some protein. Okay, so I usually just get organic bell peppers and some celery hearts and some cucumbers. I tried these, but they're kind of gross. And every time I buy the lentils, I'm the only one who eats it, and so I decided against them. Might be a good day for Zools. So I do get the organic zucchini. I've got to get 2 packs because they really shrink. I used to get these yellow onions chopped in the containers, but then I heard that's really bad for you because once you chop the onion and store it, a lot of bacteria. I'm going to get some mushrooms and chop these up and put them with ground turkey and tomato sauce to make a nice little bolognese. My version of it, bolognese. I hate to say it, but strawberries and blueberries have to do organic, is what I've learned, but so expensive. So I'm going to have my husband buy that at Costco. Now I know this is prepackaged chicken, but it's been my experience that the green packet here is actually good. It's not organic, but it's really good to just chop up in salads and have ready to go. Flavor bombs are the bomb. Definitely pick some of these up. They're so delicious. Gotta chop up your own onion. Sorry about that. These little sprinkles are so great, and I usually pick up a lot of these. And I mix it with chopped up onions and peppers and fresh corn for my baby black beans for my tomato salad. The point is there that you don't have to chop them in half. So it's like Lazy Girl's tomato salad. I always buy avocados, but I heard that you don't have to buy organic, just so you know. We already have plenty at home, so I'm not going to get it today, but I just wanted to let you know. You can pick up sweet potatoes. My client told me of a really cool recipe where you cook them in the oven, face down, you chop it in half, put it in the oven face down with some olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and they caramelize. So I'm going to try that later on. Okay, now this is like Mecca for me. Like, I love nuts. You might not. I used to think nuts were like so fattening. Stay away. Anyways, these are the best ones right here. Dry roasted and salted organic cashews. Okay, the only problem is once I start eating these, I literally cannot stop. So I might forego and just get these individual packets where I could just like shove it in my backpack in my car, and that will help me to just eat the right amount. Gonna do the same thing with a handful of almonds. Love it. These are super high in carbs, but as I said, one of the rules of thumb I follow is like 3 apples a day. So I like to keep this in my car, in my office, and just have a little snack here and there. Oh yes, 2 packs of these. Brussels sprouts. The only thing I get from this aisle is this toast right here for my family. It is, we used to call it like grandma's bread. It's really, really good. Oh my God, I almost forgot my lemons. Now sorry guys, this does have to be organic. Bananas. I'm always perplexed when I get to this step of my shopping journey. I don't eat a ton of meat. My family kind of does. I think today I'll just go with a couple of these burgers because I know we have good bowls at home. And then, I don't know, we might just get organic ground turkey or like a meatloaf or something. I'm going to pick this up for them. This is that recipe I shared. You put it in your crock pot with like salsa and a little bit of, what was it, like apricot jam or something like that. It's so delicious. I don't buy any of the cereals anymore. I literally have no idea what kind of eggs to get, but I think I did hear pasture raised was best. So, yep, it's expensive, but I'm gonna buy it. If you're gonna buy bread, This is incredible bread. In fact, I bought it the other day and chopped it up into small pieces and served it with olive oil for dipping. So delicious. Okay, now I love this section for individually made meals. I often get, like chicken wrap or something like that for my family. They do have gluten-free fettuccine noodles typically. They're not here today, but those are phenomenal. You see those? Definitely buy. Okay. There they are. I found them. Okay. This is awesome. I'm gonna get 2 packs. Can you believe we used to buy this in a tall green container on the shelf? This looks a lot better. No vino for Moira today. I always have cowboy caviar on hand. Phenomenal product. Really great product for salads. These are so good. Brings it all back, doesn't it? Okay. Lastly, I'm down this aisle here. There's spices and oils. I always use olive oil. I get some of my spices here, but some of them are a little bit funky. But you can always use some cinnamon, and the pepper grinder is really good. And oh, here's my new favorite right here. Ooh, so good in salads. I usually have like some organic chickpeas and black beans on hand just to add to recipes. And I always pick up a couple boxes of bone broth, handy for so many recipes. It is awesome, by the way. And I usually nibble on these while I'm cooking dinner. These olive packets, so good. I'm gonna buy this today, but this is a home run. So another winner. I used to get my tomato sauce here, but now I just go to Costco and use Victoria sauce, which is so good. There you have it. There's my full cart. I'm gonna go get my flowers and check out. Have a great day. Red matches my kitchen. I just got an SOS call from my house. Pick up bacon. This is the only kind of bacon I like. I almost forgot those for my shakes. I'm getting lazy, but I'm just gonna go with some nice tomato corn salad.